Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And are you tired of getting WhatsApp calls at inconvenient times? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to block WhatsApp calls using some easy methods. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So in this video, I'm going to show you three kinds of easiest process. So you can do any one of them for stopping your WhatsApp calls. So let's start. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store and make sure your WhatsApp application already up to date. So after updating your WhatsApp application, just click here open option. And after that, just let's go for the first process. And the first process will be just go to your contacts. I mean, which contacts you want to block for calls. Just I want to block these contacts from call. So just click on that contacts, and after that click on that name option, and you can see in here notifications. So just click on it and then just click here mute notifications, and then click here always, and after that click here OK option. So this is the first process. So you can do it. So let's go for the second process, and the second process will be you need to go to here three dot line, and after that click here settings option, and then click here privacy, then scroll down, then click here groups, then choose my contacts, and then get back from here and then click here calls option, and turn these settings on. Silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. That will still be shown in the calls tab in your notification, okay, but you will not get call option. I mean, there is no call will be in your display. You will just receive notifications, okay. So just turn these settings on. So this is the second process, and let's go for the third one. And the third one will be direct block. I mean, just choose that contact, then go to three dot line, then click here more option, and then click here block option. Then if you click here block option, that time these contacts cannot call you next time. So that's the three process for blocking WhatsApp calls. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you.